Today we're going to learn about how to install a Facebook pixel using WordPress. So you'll go ahead and log into your website and get into the back end of WordPress, and here's your dashboard. Once you've logged in here, you're going to choose Plugins, and you're going to choose Add New, and you can either click it here in the sidebar menu, or you can select it up here. We're going to click Add New, and then under the keyword search, we're going to type in Pixel Your Site. Once we've typed that in, we're going to go ahead and we're going to choose Install Now. Notice also that it's by Pixel Your Site, so that's the one that you're going to want to use. Once you've installed the plugin, you'll have a new option in the WordPress sidebar here. So go ahead and click on Pixel Your Site, and the interface will come up, this page will come up, and you'll have your Facebook Pixel ID here, and that will be empty. So the next step will be to go onto your Facebook Business Manager, click this menu here, go down to Events Manager, and that'll take you to the Data Sources page. Under Data Sources, you'll see this text that says Pixel ID. Copy that number there, go back into WordPress, paste the Pixel ID under this text here, and then scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Settings. Once you've done that, your Facebook pixel should be good to go.